medyo ako makikita. First of all, I would like to thank God for giving us this wonderful day. And secondly, we would like to say thanks for parents for the continued support. And of course, our guests, our friends, our folks, yung kasama namin sa office, office, kaibigan, kasama sa buhay, maraming salamat sa pagdalo sa araw na ito. And again, thank you very much. Sana sa pag-uwi natin, dala natin yung alaala ng asa namin nila. Thank you very much.
I also like to thank the organizers, Events Essentials, especially Hazel, for organizing this event. For without them, this event will not be successful. So thank you, Hazel.
Thank you very much.